ama manfo hu ye wo huge land ye wo niama bebre cocoa ye wo timber niama bebre investors e wo say mo bananka they will open businesses na man for young people so anya adwuma ye but mostly yen ton sa niama no emma amanfo hu yie nti ohwe ya asase no so ohwe some part of asase na ebi ye hilly ebi nso ewo form nti ama sa niama ni na ukọ baby a people are selling that aspect of omo asase no to people to come and then even witness nti or decide say okay, why don't we identify some of these tourist attractions municipality ni mu na yenton ama manfo hu no mo ma nti omo ba behwe a then they see some of these investment potentials no more describe a share or mine ama yakoyenim. Intino, that is the reason why I was she said they be a friend Cocoa City experience ebeba. Now the Cocoa City experience, the entire friend Cocoa City experience. Oh here a young maimuha Seviwe also and our Western North is known for the huge production of cocoa. We have been the backbone of the cocoa production in the country. Inti I was a man for whom near here say apart from cocoa na ye produce amount mine cry yes answer were good yes answer were timber yes answer were near baby as awaso bauxite or even gold it's surrounding us all over. Inti why don't we sell all these things to people? Inti uba eba or maya ye cocoa production and I say a dog cocoa funa yes answer be ma wa nya another experience apart from cocoa no when you beji ho. And that's the reason why you did a Cocoa City experience ever ye be ye no on the from the 15th of November to 22nd of November. Now within that particular period now ye celebrating a cocoa any your tourist attractions no ye ma unkofo mo discover o man mu no ye ma mo unkokwa. So we are giving them an opportunity to sit and then discuss some of the challenges a warrior system. Man, I was say yeah as or my because I was saying yes who answer now will be ebeba edinisika be share a your mind. So we are having a business forum. Now on that business forum no ubia beba be chere na adwen ubia nso beba be challenges and I say niama AC businesses ho kwan ewo oman mu no so abeka ho asem ne be discussions ye be the government agencies be to say GIPC any Ghana Investment Promotion Center ebeba any Exim Bank and the Ministry of Trade and Industry ebeba into some of our businessmen no more ayo oman mu hanases Western or West we also hano or more challenges be with government institutions and also private entities be on per se or more identify now or more tackle more mono. All these things will be dealt with. Apart from that also we have businesses like banks and others here. Abia obi per facility be or any bank onim the kind of opportunity as a business person. In all these banks will come, they will sell out some of these products. They will advise on Niama was as a business person, was a way Nema or business tumpon. Maybe our record keeping yeah, Mr. Hussein in Crawford, maybe on him say Sayjuman or Moye, they will help you throughout that. International loan facilities in Niama Bibre Waha, ubet me at the expanding with businesses. Others also beba our more businessmen or more other parts of the country beba. No more so abe ton and answer or beton or more ideas on what they want to do for the municipality. So it's a week-long event. Now on that particular day, so what I want so bibi awoye and answer why ye bibi do say bibi and answer what idea why ye bibi no will give you opportunity no display on your man wo no aton ama nkofato and answer you promote your product now man for you can exchange contact, you make money out of it at the end of the day. Now, apart from the business forum, we are not leaving a month for more ideas out of it. Obi or a young person, obetimi aye liquid soap, obetimi aye tie and dye, obetimi aye bibi akreti ejuma, obetimi afani pa bibri, and so oni boaphobia. So we will give an opportunity for the young people, youth, then they will pitch their businesses, their ideas to all this in Penny for no. then at the end of the day yɛn nso yɛ bɛ support wɔn kakra then mpanyinfoɔ no and then the private sector no mbɛba no they will also hold it up na afei yɛ atenetene wɔn Mr. Fuseni mu bɛboa ma yɛ atenetene wɔn till some businesses no bɛ grow na by next year na yɛ bɛsan yɛ program yi bio mu no then we are seeing young entrepreneurs out of this business forum I be into the one.
Zawzeri.
Yes, I was.
Uni na kado do na but yan hwe momo honom de adwuma na mudie BRC fo.
Yo, me da wase ne akwanya ode ama me. Na mefa akwanya kasi so na machia etiefo etie Liberty FM 92.7 anopai. Business Resource Center no semi twanity abon tofa meka say the hospital of any business in Ghana. I'm say the sinim say the hospital setup city no so we yare and na honam mu nye wi na ko hospital e do be fa processes mu from stage 1 na akopem so be kwa kwaje aduru pharmacy na wanom na ho ato sa so pepepe na in the business field no etie business ya de a ye de pemfa so na nipa dodo na mpempi no ye bie business sa agu say ye bie phone lines yi kra to my T4 aka o experiences a edoso business sa amanfo bie agu ni nyina no factors na edoso nimdi a ye ni enkrata sama ye nye ni yie ene niema akeka ho bibi kra ho a o idea ne kama but sika o de be hyem kra no hu kwa obefa so a obenya sammoa no obi so kra o sika no opafidie ba ko menu bi aso ade so ayade onya bi business resource center ne gina ho say ye behwe aboa the business community within the Safiyoso municipality and even beyond sebe ya obi o business ho ha obi asempo oyo ankra wada so daye ana ni so ade hunu bi wo wani so a opese wo de ye adwuma na oba bedan ye ne a ye no obetena se adi nkomo ni ehu kwan ye befa so ye be kire wo se fa ha fa we to ha ye ni sei na business na nyina ma sika kra na wo hia ye kwan ye be kire wo se ye we fa we to ye we sei ye be bo am anya moa wo ha no ye wo a whole lot of packages minu Ivan se kasa no no oka Exim Bank mete ho sisi ye say wo business bi wo municipality mu na so wotua nipa ba ko personate mpo e wo business ni din mu a omra BRC ye wo facility obetimi age between 1 million Ghana cedis and 10 million Ghana cedis interest ne wo form kra but on how kakra me ba municipality mu and even baby am free e ba hai te bia ne dade so ne other areas no your problem ba ko ye wo ye business ye ho wa ha no ye nkrata asem ye business community no do na nim say to succeed no ye sika e ka ho bidie but most businesses do not get the needed funding due to nkrata asem until we are in to help solve and correct those things because your facilities be wo ha it is available but say we register with Juma and register with municipal or district assembly wo operating permit ni ade a ya de ma wanyi minim me wo bia sei your businesses bi a me do mo fa antitiye mu anam so mo nkrata asem eye kama no some of them were even able to access grant facility of 250,000 Ghana cedis ye free money e de a che ne say Jennifer bo wadwuma wuntu ya back ba ni nyina ya nkrata asem but ko gina bonten boda urusisi a most people no busa o mo say o mo how ne say in their business operations a dodo na abeka say sika but enye sika per se because say what to ne ma yie ama bibia de na kwan ma the sika will come by itself.
I'll have to find time to invite you.
And dear ehu hia papa senior ehu hia papa
ni awo kan de sika de ye nyina obi ahia
but yeah just say kira o safa we to ha ye we say nti wo qualify pe na ye de wutuma enu an say nam so na
why the need say or say me Cocoa City experience
be me nti wo ho say de na menua na ka say enye the entertainment aspect of the program no kwa na yehwe na emum yehwe de ebeye ebeboa the business community na mena nyini through say yeji yani no na yeboa ma yenwuma ye ya enam so ma yensa koya no nso no ebetumpon nti wode ho be hye Koko City experience no through the business forum ubenya akwanya hia big minded business people a utie obi story kra kwan ofa so hya ase a enne wa be successful a eno kra yenkanyan eno kra through that no ubetimi anya linkages bi ni networks bi a from there no ube rely on beboama watoto ni emayi and it will be a mega event nya grow ni yedi because my chief executive officer of Ghana Enterprise Agency has been duly served. She will be coming because no crowd better na akonwa so no as chief executive of Ghana Enterprise Agency no why ya se ko pa akonwa so be ba region ha wakoko other regions, but this is a golden opportunity for her to come and know the region and to be part of the Koko City experience celebration. Now that day business is a be baase no betin some da kese fi Miss Chief Executive ho waso obi aba because said the wo kan ye no se menya akwanya sa betena ha bi mu a ka programs ekuta ya amanfo be fa so anya sika amanfo benya afa so anya fidie do na no
me follow on you
ye be kan nyina
me special that invite
amatie fo atie no ma ba na do ma fa kwan no so because we are in to serve the municipality
billionaires
yes yes and they no crepa
kayaso Chaleba, what are you empty and there why here
kayaso I'm so making
yeah sure
I think I'm sorry oh
no
but I think the potential is huge.
Sure.
I mean from what Mr. Hosseini is saying, no I'm saying no ma bebre ho no ma yenim, but knowledge sharing is very important and I'm so happy say and na no pay yabaha Mr. Matibi Mr. Kran no ma bebre na Mr. Kran minim me the new na chip ton ni airtime ton but you were happy because MTN edge no ma bebre di we believe in potential and we believe in businesses and nipa bebre kran ponim say MTN so better your router we can create a website for you.
Oh wow.
Yes, we create a website for you, we do Windows installation for you, we give you a ledger where you can keep your records. Yes, it's all part of it. And see, when it comes to businesses, MTN has a dedicated section for SME, small scale businesses, dedicated section for it. And it's all a small scale. Na say after now started. Now, I say pay for the casa no business, company business. Me pacho enye say adika kraka. Say won kwampo and I say bia onya nsu kakra na woton. Woton drinks, oya popcorn, oche pork. Just ejuma bia aye wa ejuma no. O buy ho a it be boa ehye kinama. MTN.
Oh I see.
Yes. Until they hear and say, oh, me ejuma, me pese me keep me records. Me fan nioma e Kumasi de bia na this ka be hwe ho Kumasi ana ade na umba ne ma o me chance ye ma agency ne fire business you see me busa say when e we say how ni mobile money financial inclusion obi ni mobile money enti as a business what is preventing you from coming to MTN and getting your documents right documents no hia pa obi ho be ba no se me Ghana card obe ba no se me business certificates as a business we encourage you to get all those things ne bo onye din o Ghana card credit me ma o merchant sim ade be your business the merchant sim is just to support you say me beto ade say e bia me ba no me nkote ska ho me ho but me mobile money and because say unji mobile money me first ka no nko ana question am busa wo uji mobile money is the same money e me no so a betima kwa use sika when yimpo a na so won so de to ade foforo a betim the mobile money na eden etuaka. So all the businesses within the Secretary of municipality, Asarin, so baby, wherever, come to us, our office. Let's sit down. Let's discuss. We want to support businesses. Exhibition is one of the things that we've been doing for a long time. Business symposiums. I think last year, where we brought all the businesses together, we sold to them our office in Omayewo from MTN, and it was fantastic. Nipa bebre no buy a month for many idea obi ohono mo or crafty, obi even withdraw or carve withdraw. We supported all those people. So, may who say Adeakyia kraka, so media minister and member. even the little you have, come and showcase. Unim baby and be free about. Ebi and not business people no more ban. We be so wasn't. Some people have ideas. Obi computer software. Very good. You can come and display what you've done. Obi honum so out in Papua. Obi ho yam papa. Obi ho ya hiniwa. All those things, bring it to us. Let's showcase it for you. All those people who will be coming. Oh, I did me fe. Unim baby will be interested. That's what I will say. Obi honum kra who say send see mini apotoyu an kra no. The interest for her. No abeso wasene. So we are encouraging all and Sunday come on board. We nya dia gidi bia. The oye bia no as a businessman come on board. MTN will assist you. Ebe ma merchant sim how to be your business. So pay agent sim kra na. Ema agent sim how to be your business. Then all together ye bobo ye ho na ye koyenim.
Even city we nyina no inclusive the Cocoa City experience.
Inclusive Cocoa City experience.
And which day any benya this very
this one will happen I think on the 19th. Let me cross check. 19th and 20th. And then say once we nyina Mr. Fuseni aka ene ne me bra Sami aka no. We bre na nim me kra na minim. Once ye nyina ye sua de. It is a program we amma. We may not have all these things yeah to Jano. Into no business forum no ye be on 20th of November.
20th of November.
Next month. Na pitching no and I say omo nimdie na omo pese omo da na di ma manfo hu no ye be no 17th of November. Nti sa week ni mo na ye bibia nti ye be no first na yama young people na be ka ade omaye ne ni ombetimi aye na ewia edi omasan call business forum na nkasa ase no makotie aye experience na empanyifo ni bi wo any emwa ye pese ye de ma na say emwa e wo ho a they can access say na Mr. Fuseni can say their facilities are
Mr. Fuseni dey hear me pa
you get it inti ni na no ye be ye saade na ma amount for ye pese by the end of this program this year no ye nya kra about 10 young entrepreneurs, entrepreneurs free emuaba because that is the target at the moment. Say benya 10. Now the next year you know these young people, these 10 people, businesses will grow. At least some more employ nipa be 2 kra from a now copim copim next year now. It will at least bring down the unemployment rate. No most we are they will go and train some people into that is the focus at the moment.
Okay. Mr. Fuseni, so Resia there is a hope in Abia also. So message of hope our the youth and then the business community on that day for them to be there. And it's any sorry.
Yo, I'm say my brother Sam.
Okay.
Eka asamuno perfectly. Me yen say me a one man business me ton table so ade. Inti me de kwra de omo ye de mi so amenka ho. Obi biara ka ho nti ye besere say obi biara wo ye business owner ana wo ye business person say table so sa pampam store say kiosk na waye container wo store dan papam bibi bia obi ade wo timi de won saye obi amra sa business Cocoa City experience event yes because na watwi mu ade na se da bia obi ahu ne a wo kuta wo so yama amanfo ahu ne wo ya ento se na wotwe ne bekwa wie ya program ne bekwa wie no na ne wade ton de ne a wotimi ye no na aka amanfo trim from there no you continue to get more customers or whatever you are doing yes say obi amfa ne ho nhyem na we ya kwanya kese a ye ne ede ehu bi hyem no ento se afe ne bekwa beba bi mu a ye be year 2 of Cocoa City experience no adansi die ne be kese and people's lives will never be the same.
All these
this is an assurance.
All these for free.
Yes. Enye for free. Enye for free.
Mame fa enonoma MTN for more package bi ma obi a obeba be register business forum
no. Na exhibitors no se bia wo adwa adeton de a opesa obeda na di no. I think yes suggest say we ni ye di kan a ye sha ase nti no ya to no from kra within 1 week ni nyina no say on the auspices of the BRC no so do ne ma beba na otwe ni nyina obetua 500 cedis pay. And I think a very cool,
good, yeah,
cool cranty. Yayan Shishaya, free sabre yakopum sebia, October, crab quavi, all those interested exhibitors, you know, Mubishia. Na ya to winchinia mo who here, and fasodia program in quavi umbinya. Okay, me jama minia empty.
Yes, Sam.
Okay. Kayaso, say, I believe in one thing, say, exhibition, right, is the best form to sell your business. Because enye obia na behu baby awo. Ebi kra na we also high street say. Na wo juna say high street. Obi twem de bia but onhu. Na dwen kra mba so say shop bi she ha say. Come exhibition oba obetre de awo. One, you can make sales, good sales. Two, ubenya contacts. Also yeah business cards. Oye flyers. Na the man for. Into also as a businessman a long-term investment. Into uba this exhibition odo card out and obi hu a onam ho no okay me pejesi ato me hu say abrante o boutique ni jesi say fe pa enya exhibition ase no otoye but after so we fancy etrim say ye beba ye beton no ma ho de but for the long term effect no ye fancy etrim sir. I've been to a lot of exhibitions as MTN ebi yes me compare ebi try 5,000 just to come and exhibit ebi try 1,000 to 3,000 and when you go to Takrady where I'm from almost every December there's an exhibition and people from Accra, Kumasi, even here eba ho ebe exhibit ye fa nche wo mo we dey need dem yesre mo sika na nya sika bi a eson bebre ye fa ne sense ye to ka na gunso nani na aboa no befa nya bi nche sanete MTN dey woman say oba na so be register ye be ma wo merchant sim ye be ma wo souvenirs Enioma that day no crowd be share, you be my chair, my t-shirts, you my wristbands, I'll be share crowd by exhibition. I say, and I want to say, damn you drew on more. You be boa canopies. Any Enioma can cry, you be by my Hawaii feno, MTN so you be boasa. Into you ready so person register. What you call Mr. BRC Hona, Omuyum the documents in my name so ya frail. You know what's na senior amount all those interesting things, just to spice up the whole program.
Yes.
Mr. Fuseni, any number to contact?
Yeah.
Before Mr. Fuseni, the number bebano, local ones or more free Western Northano, and a bit 500 cities. Outsiders, so free Kumasi, so free Accra, 700 cities. 700 cities. Inti, Yatete Sokra, say who, Intino, Ubia, and Fanny Hunji, Uton Force Sokra, just come and exhibit. Because exhibition be last month or Accra. Tamana yeah preparation towards this event no obiton obroni wawo like near rejected ones in crowd no exhibit na man for go ne ho to you see opportunity a odi ton oniama so easy because in crowd beba and there's no way obi beba business forum no and I say exhibition center no akasa on to bibi so wan to bibi ampo a at least you are building relationship. Yeah. That is the most important aspect of the whole thing.
All right. Yes, sir.
Mamemfa sa story kitwe yintwem. 2016 na me wada bokrum. Ne akoye exhibition bi wo West Hills Mall, Accra.
Accra, yeah.
Good. Na ye bekona me client ba ko ye wo. E bia East ho. Na me sell the idea to him say o me yemfa wo ne nko program na se ne beboa no ti me boa na ma ne ye label stickers ne number ne bibia wo so ena o ma ekofo ye gallon no ba ko ne ye de koye that time no 2016 no no beton gallon ni nyina na obenya ba 500 cedis ye koye ne ye ko to smaller bottles bubuye ye wie ye no ye de sika 700 cedis na bre papa no apart from say wonya contacts no and ne papa no through that exhibition ba ko pe na okoye no amount for a Tony products no follow ni number na amene we ye wo no wo bia East ha FDA certified na ma wo de ko US we ye wo no wo bia East ha yawo enso o package ye bibia de ko US one exhibition pa ni niema no ni number ni bibia ko di nkran no eno kwa EDM say 3-4 days any buy and that linkage has been established papa na kwa yemre but ne maso mu a they are actually pushing the business forward. Okay. And that is another way. Say obi pay BRC contact so obe frey na others so obe register for the exhibition and na bibia on free 0244 48 83 and a 48 0244 48 83 48 BRC number ofra ubinya ye no
abesi wankasa also
mpachwan yankasa.
Okay, Evans.
Sure. Omo office BRC for office wo regional police command nechi or Roman school or Roman park honum. Bon office office kakraka bi wo betimi aye.
Sign white.
O de o yira office in crowd bra municipal assembly ho. Oba look for anybody next be say ehifa na BRC office wo on be kire na wa ko ho no. And aso oba okrami akasa me wo room 3 oba ho a o de kasa o hwe Evans obiado obeba, then I'll direct you to Mr. Efuseni. But before then, I'm running through programs for the KOTOKO City Experience briefly. On the 15th, you know, you better clean up exercise, any health screening. We also Junase and ASANTE so. And on the 16th of November, you say before more quantum no emra na omenity you be diaspora homecoming. On the 17th, Monday no, you be pitching no na you be ma young people no more nimdie no abe exhibit omo kire niama omo na omotimi aton amamam for aboa omo. On the 18th of November no, you be quack of visit a tourist site, you be call there's a stream your friend Subre ebeko Subre honum akohwe anwade a Subre na aye inter-school culture display school se wo municipal ni mu nyina be culture display exhibit sehwi hu niama. On the 19th you be KOTOKO symposium, you be ka KOTOKO hu asem kwan KOTOKO ya do KOTOKO ama aboa Ghana any the future for the KOTOKO business na aye traditional museum ye himfo no ntade omo hihye ye be mini traditional museum na manfo hu ntade a ye nananum tetetete no omo hihye ya omo de ede chichiri krona bedru bebi a edru no. Na on the 20th no ya business forum and exhibition. Now on the 21st no ya bomtro celebration na ya traditional food fest ehwenu ane nyina ye be nua bi ewo kasikrum na ya grand dance ni nyina wo kasikrum ye wi ana anajo no ya be seviwe also excellence awards. Na on the 22nd no eno ne mrantie ne de no ye be street carnival kese ye be first one wo street mo anchors be ba fam na ye old musicians no na edu kwasi mu omina so ba performing traditional sefi music aye tete sefi music aye de bamboo ni niama those rhythms ni na ye be boni na wo street mama obi ahwe bi na anadwo no na boys nso de omo de agina mu Junase station honum ye be street camera ye de artist kese be ba ye de artist no magidi sefi artist no magidi nso ni na be ba on the man dem ne amewuga ha ne wonder boy mu super sandy mu nyina ba be fa ase atonwum. But before then sa anopa no ye be kids fan fair ye njan kwala ne film nti ye be kids fan fair e wo Junase Gliston Park na so Homa Park honum na nkwala no so edi agro kama nti no program no ye nje obi bia wo abrewa o akokra o abranti o ababa o obia everybody is invited to
Mumfa shatam raw
my pega krama
mo ye djuma de asmin pega krama
o no krama support
na say Samuel na only Sam
yes
Sam ana
yeah kayaso
Mumfa shatam raw say o de body
enso nyame ye
wow
ye kan ye I mean better was say near that's if you man say one thing is your brand no MTN brand no so if you man do yen say do and very soon they should look out for us. It will be a new office no and to be part of the celebration it be and Chennai start KOTOKO City Experience no so all the services are open go how buy a baby ni uba hire sekwa no and na early part of November be office no
wow
to be an kana come to me say I mean calls be say oh da be na mobile my fefe na mobile nti say dey ba but my make a crane chat was say we ye dwumadi a ye dey ho agim MTN for nti me so me no ma betodwa say open merchant sim open agency open MTN service bi ana me patch offer na ndi ho nkomo enkofa ba bi mo bi nka say betria we da bi MTN most of our services are free apart from so betria chip I bejo 10 cities bibia ye free so open agency ma e free open merchant sim ma e free but wo kofa ba bi a anhwe ana obi edun sa akosi fom enti kayaso ye be stress efifo this is a program for them it's a human program cocoa no you will be waha bauxite you will be waha gold you will be waha but how are we selling it to the outside world ebesede who say was no more we nyina waha say fa ho gimu bi na nso ka bi fatu status ye de no matter wa nso fatu status say na say kan amauga beba mandem yo pick beba ye de no no na de ho agimu sa saturday no krumbe de aha
shata nso beba
ye go so keka MTN for no ye bibi ma shatter last week Saturday. Aha, ye go so ke kanioma say boma. Say kayaso not first person I make breaking news no what liberty has say. Aha, today.
Yes, I know what spirit.
Yeah, so kind of I mean, I don't know but I think say MTN no commodity akoso be. And then we are ready to come in full to support this program. So I'm saying kind of say we any western of here. If I'm saying crowd 80% share of MTN. Nti nya dia bibi say ba ne be ye ho afrim.
All right.
Yes, nti ye de ho age. Nti man fa me number ne nto dwa. So wo hia bibia MTN na pa jo beti ma frɛ me. Ne de hu nkomo. Nti me number ne 0244 33 55 95.
Sisubiem.
0244 33 55 95. Ha, e frɛ me brasa me. Nti ta be frɛ me bia no.
And one so better brass okay, yeah, Sam.
They say obi pe enquiries be about this whole event obi timi aframe so and as obi timi about municipal assembly ho na ya tenase na edi nkomo ope se obe support yen kakra bia odi be support yen obe sponsor because aska wa hapa nti kakra bia odi be bia no ye be sum na ya yenso ya bo wadwumadie no so ho dawura mo na obetimi afre 0240 17 1935 0240 17 1935 into frame ya ye bedi nkomo na fe mwa bia opese ye de boa na se opese o de boa yan bia no so ye be ma mpanyimfa aso ate na ya bondero
em se mameka we nchato ni twa no se uba na be register memory if you say you buy flyers there be a lot of publicity for your company for just 500 cedis publicity I will be no nye publicity ketwa nti obi ho no mu a sorry to say be the business you can board in radio so that this is an opportunity for people to know what you do nti while be registered we do a lot of flyers for you with all the companies that are coming we are sharing around so there be obi who say publicity na koso amam so obi nya hu de way a wa so your radio presenter senior man and you know what publicity can do for businesses. Yes, it's also can the share in Passia. Will be a room, but we PR, ne shiny, no be a big.
Another amena some coffee as of free MTN for as ye Evans also so every so he also municipal assembly and Mr. Fusine Ismail and so every so he also municipality mo and also a head Emma a business resource center. Me do almost is out pay o mobile. Me do almost AC wa ha the madam mo na pay me ne am the phone so at one common so here bas is here.
Was a money Janaba Namon Fani in a haba and some way the almighty doctor Metini Abdosuko a Remoa after Ghana share so a Rebeni Akope Enubreme any a habama Ediaba Ghana Memu Ababenua Ediako food and grass board Emma testify Agiatu Amidi Edrono Aba Egamaiso as I drew a different thing altogether share Edrono Yeno Obema and I'm saying Oba. Intedo no ba betobiana me ma top be ma no asan to oba no so asan aka ho be ma no na djuma ati se police na oba no so na djuma ati se soja na duro no matuni din a garafa be ma no red na oba no so green enye duro afi ne se nom no nansa no mu a 30 minutes na duro na hwase djuma djuma ewo entinu ɛyɛ adwuma ɛwɔ nnompe mu ɛsa yɛ adwuma wɔ mogya mu obi a still catching and as a wobubu egu hɔ obi a wayɛ mmerɛ a ne mpom ayɛ mmerɛ a ɔntumi ɛnnante ntumi nyɛ hwɛ wobubu egu hɔ obi a wanya accident bi a wawo foforɔ yɛayɛ operation na ekuro ɛwɔ nipadua mu stomach ulcer ekuro wɔ tirim ekuro wɔ yam ekuro wɔ ase ekuro wɔ hefa ebeku hu kuro nyinaa tɔsa algarafa aduro bi ne kɔno ne hadeɛ
sɛ wopɛ dodoɔ atu anaasɛ nkyerɛmu foforɔ a frɛ 0249 749 797 and 0242 024 840.
Adia yapa ne se wone namfofo ahia na yaka asɛm a ɛsere na wontimi nsere bi saa asɛm yɛ bi ne to ɛbra na mese ayɛ yellowish color bi a onhu nani so kra yi me de toothpaste ahodo a wo wiase nyia twi mi se na mese entimi nya fitaa sɛ de me pɛ no kosi sɛ madamfo bi akyerɛ me
Active Point Dental Clinic
na bra me duru wa na me hu sɛ me haw no to nyina atwa don hwere ba ko pɛntɛm mese na ayɛ fitaa yi sɛ metimi sere ɛwɔ ba bi a mɛkɔ bia obi bia nso wɔ medical condition bi a amana nya yellow teeth brown teeth and green teeth no
Active Point Dental Clinic
ɛwɔ ho nimdeɛ a wɔn betumi ama wo se no asan yɛ fitaa biem wɔn san wɔ teeth whitening home kit ɛna medicated foam toothpaste teeth whitening pen and betumi di ama wakɔ fie na wakɔtoa so ayi so hwehwɛ Active Point
Dental Clinic
ɛwɔ danyame wɔn bɛn ultimate FM nkyɛn hɔ a
Obuase Dunkwa Junction 9 miles kwan no so Sunyane OA bus terminal Omni Cocoa House di nkyɛn mu Search Gina se GPRTU market hɔ Shell filling station inside
and afre 03223 96802 and 0554 571779 Active Point
Dental Clinic.
Get a whiter teeth in just a day.
Sir, mpanyin kasa numsuo twɛn ɔpa na ɛnyɛ nsuo bi akɛkɛo na mmom nsuo a ɛbɛma wo atumi agyina ɔpɛ ano density natural mineral water ne sachet ɛne dispenser bottle yɛ nsuo a yɛahyɛ da ayɛ ɛde ekum wɔn sukɔm density natural mineral water kɛbinom wate anio yɛnum nsuo de kum yɛn sukɔm nom density natural mineral water beaeɛ a yɛyɛ nsuo no ho te yie paa yɛwɔ 500 milliliter sachet ɛna 19.5 liter dispenser bottles ma afiafie ne offices hwehwɛ yɛkyi kwan wɔ number 27 new ridge a ɛwɔ tano so kwantempɔn no so hɔ a frɛ 0596 604743 ana 0208 466256 na koto bi ye wayefro ɛyie ɛne badwam nhyiamudeɛ density natural mineral water nsu papa nie fd
Omande hye ɛsɛn wɔ kwampa a yɛfa so sum yɛn customers nti apa manfi wura bank abɛyɛ bank a dodoɔ no agye ato mu abɛɛfo kwan a yɛde ma ne sika no nyinaa yɛwɔ bi wɔ ha Express Automated Clearing House, Mobile Money Transfer, Apex Link I Transfer, and Western Union. Your branch is this way. Your electronic banking so. 24/7 ATM services. Baby any, Sashiba Kwai, Sashujunase, Asankragwa, and the Dunkon of You switch bankers drafts and SMS alert here. A man who dear cost our account to mono. And also come home. Apa Menfi Ura Bank dear. Yansamu, you were easy loan products. And my abandu my phone. Now less than 3 hours. Now we start count loan about the third party and comprehensive insurance and so on. Bra Apa Menfi Ura Bank. There were 17 branches and more. Asankragwa, Aguna Menfi, Sashujunasi, Sashioso, Sashibekwai, Sashaquantomra, Dunkon of Diaso, Babiani, Swamada Diaso, Yukwa Himai, Denchira Subin, Wasajabo, Ajakamansu, Sashinzaura, Awasu, and a fufro cra, and Swaba Sashi Asampane, and near Matiga, Nemfasu Boom, and Brosikaso, your head office, our Wasan Kwasu, Freya 116-966, and 0244 948 600 Afi 0549 040 Apartment Fee Urabank. Yeni Mufretete, Apartment Fee Urabank. Yashumoda.
Yasi Ebadia.
Beba Junior Mengro, my bravo Hope.
na wani na agye a wogye wo ba grosa no
na ade a wonyame nam dɔta mu a ɔwɔ personality natural health care so ayɛ ɛno na de bɛni gye sɛ yi o
peske awɔ ho nsɛm deɛ ɔte ne tɛ sɛ wo kaseɛ mu abuo wo prostate ayɛ kɛse ama ɔnya dwonso mu ama ne hunu anaa mpa so mmerɛ yo
sɛ yɛ stroke diabetes hepatitis B pressure sisi yadeɛ afikyikuro mu ama ne hunu ɛnam yade hodoɔ ɛne yadeɛ biara wɔsa
ne sɛ hɔ a na mede oluman ɛne oledi kɔkyɛ kafo ɔwɔ mfidie paa meye na adoma tirekuo nie na nsɛm dɔbo no wohu ne sɛn
hey agrɔhene
ɔbaa a wopɛ sɛ wo hips anaasɛ wo to ɛyɛ akɛseɛ yɛyɛ wo adwuma saa nso ɛna sɛ stretch marks agye wo wede abɔ so a ɛno nso yɛyi firi hɔ barima a wo bɛrima sua na apɛ sɛ wopagya mu no bra yɛbɛpagya mu ama wobɛhu pɛskɛ ɛwɔ Accra La Paz Nyamekyɛ Junction yɛwɔ Crown Prince School no akyi hɔ a Kumasi G Runabout Medila bakyi wɔ pɛɛ baabi ani ɛdɛ sɛ Human Rural Bank wɔ mu no sɛ wiyɛ ɔso mpomam yɛne Church of Pentecost ɛne di nhwɛnimu Takwa Roman Stores opposite Zenith Bank
Sunyan ofiri Kumasi ɛkɔ Cocoa House a Rex yɛne Total Filling Station no na di nhwɛnimu
frɛ pɛskɛ ɛwɔ 055 773 8555
Peske
quality hair
Hello? Ma o akwaba anape emfa o emra dwumadi eso aha eye Liberty 92.7 FM so anape me wo eye former chairman Kwaku Shaibu ewa for the NDC and me wo eye McLean Desmond so for the MPP go
Eja
good morning
fine morning
what's that
Nyame adom
nice one McLean
boss
mchebi alepa
Ami adom ya wonti papa.
Okay.
But you know made.
Adom.
Je bona biti Mr. Kanewa. Nyame ye de wa ya fa ne de yi wa haboye so akoye na.
Ya so nyame de wa ye de wa. Sure. Bo hanti obode.
Sure.
Na okay. Divine selection be select obi ana nyame aye wadom.
Na wa hanga.
Oh. We wa hanga ne ne.
Enga ne to obode.
Yekudidi
Kwaku Shaibu
yebedidi peche
yeah me wa ya to abani ya nationalistic
na ye kusu be se ko kan
me go jujo na jujo ka chicha me ba wa prache me jujo na
go yele de heba izwa
na ye de chepeti a wa na prache o safa chefu from
David.
Quasi, ngota eso.
Oh, but kayaso ya we che boy be kanela at least.
Oh, what was so?
It why me come chire wo.
Wona ka chire. Sina ba ka je wona ka.
Mo ngota eso na jara ha o.
Ngo ha.
Atade bi bura mu wi o hunu hunan.
Ebia
Afghanistan, Iraq for atade bo yo ro ni we say.
Na your farmer 38%.
Yeah, ebia nya 38%. Ebia la nya 38%,
Individual you masa
yele yisi gazetted figures for bre or 38%.
Aka 9.
It only revisit figures.
Aka 9.
All right, Oma oti o munka ye Kwaku Shaibu ene nua McLean Desmond. Kwaku Shaibu I wale ala nga jojo from fat to silent. But ya na ye won che ngo tru ya style bien. Oh, anya na ha train. Na ye chi so nje ne mo. Asisi gbe ya fa di so na otima yi. What about pa? Na McLean.
What did you go? Na me bonu because na him go be ka.
Na afa to silent today.
Yeah, mo
afa to silent.
Mama to eja chama of the day.
Na chama of the day.
When I to
for the sake of our listeners.
Oh,
no, you put or you too distracted. Yeah, me male me
silent.
No problem.
I'm telling you crowd you.
Boy.
Yeah, brother, combat. OSP. Ono oshe Attorney General ase. Na Yera Ken Ofuriata former finance minister. Na ne dwumadi a obedi ye edema omangana. Eba wieye na ewo se ensem bi bu ha otumbe yi ano edema ye. Nti OSP ɛfa akwan ahodoɔ nyinaa so sɛnea ɛbɛyɛ nka ɛyɛ Ken Oforiatta ɛbɛba na watumi atoto na bisabisa ne nsɛm bi mu but bɛsi nnɛ a me ne ɛkasa yi ɛmmaɛ ɛna mu ma ya declare ne wanted me ho nsɛmsɛm bebree masisi ano yɛde nama Interpol na red alert kora ma effect ho kora ne baa bɛsi sɛ me ne ɔkasa still Ken Oforiatta emeduri na nea aban ne pɛ sɛ ɔyɛ no ɛno no gye sɛ ɛyɛ Attorney General na tumi adi saa adwuma no ɛde ama yɛ wɔn mo so sɛ krataa ne nneɛma a wɔn hia ɛde free OSP hɔ no bɛma wɔn de adi saa adwuma no OSP entumi ɛma wɔn nsanka wɔn abisa bisi ndame no ɛkasa wɔn nsankan na nura ɛho nsɛm bɛtɔ wɔn ntin so but OSP wɔn nso ɛde wɔn nso ano yie ɛde bae sɛ wɔn no process na ɛyɛ AGN mu no wɔn nso support nti wɔn entumi frustrate nti yɛnhwɛ within the week nkrata no wɔn bɛma ne nsaka but ɛnkyɛ
yo kwasi anɔpɛ deɛ ma menkyia atiefo na menkyia mea Meridian Minister ɛyɛ owura Brintum baabi a wɔ biara na menkyia MP ɛne yɛwura Jesse a ɔno nso ɔyɛ MC ɛwɔ sɛhwiyɔ so na menkyia NDC fuo nyinaa ɔmo wɔ patam a ɔmanya akwanya a ɔmo ti ɔmo kɔ afuom ne ade kwasi mɛstarte masɛm no na mewɔ asɛm ketewa bi a mpɛ sɛ meka ɛne ɔsɛ ɔbɛma me kwan ɛfa me party me deɛ asɛm bi wɔ hɔ a ɔsɛ meka ɛyɛ yɛwura regional cocoa board owura Agabus yɛsrɛ mu ɛyɛ mansbrifoɔ no ɔmo yɛ adwuma gugu amanfoɔfoɔ so yɛmpɛ sika ma wɔn kwasi ewiase ɛwɔ no ho sɛ wopɛ sɛ nipa na wopɛ sɛ nipa ho tɔ na ɔyɛ wɔ adwuma a fa ne sika ma no Bible koraa yɛ dɛn ɛka mpakyɛw sɛ ɔte aseɛ nti mesrɛ owura regional cocoa board yɛfrɛ no Agabus ɔne district manager no so ɔwɔ anyabrem no monhwɛ ɛkwan bia baabi a sika no wɔ bia no monhwɛ mia me boss owura Ofusu Ampofo wona woyɛ chairman na woda cocoa board ano owura Randiabe monhwɛ na mesrɛ mo baabi a nkolade sika wɔ bia no yɛfa ma because one farmer no na woka so nkoyɛ adwuma a nkonim sɛ no man so no de koyɛ adwuma ina sɛbe sikasɛm so sikasɛm sika ni nipa buto no koyɛ adwuma a wonim sɛ de kwasi woti ha yi a na woyɛ adwuma yi sɛ woboto mu nya masa wobɛyɛ ne biara nti mesrɛ akwan bia so no ɔmo mpɛ sika na mo fa ɛma nkwala no ma me kɔ masɛm so me nua kwasi asɛm wei yɛbɛtena ha aka ne da sɛ wobɛka ya na me de tam bia masɛm a meka ne sɛ obi nyɛ Ghanani enye den ensi no obi wanyina yɛka OSPO Attorney General na yɛdura Ken Oforiatta bre woba ya nka sansɛnsɛm wanyina no nka ya metra ha because kwasi saudu yɛka sɛ yɛfrɛ court a na nkyerɛ saudi fo ebia yɛbɛfrɛ na yɛde wako gyina court wobɛkyɛkyɛ wo nsɛm nyina no na ebia na wundi fo na ko ba bi kwasi eba ni say ya aya na eha so ngosi yati o ma we mu atofo simu sedu agongo mu wenum ye de obuko gina court kwasi ye di o masama kodu ba bi cause me kai se kwasi ukai papa bi ana ye frɛ no Victor Solomon o kai no pa o wa bro chiri se ya bi yakofa no be ye bedi nasem ye de ne konsawam ema ebe wi ase kwasi wan frim o frimu so hu ye wura chachu kata mu ni wo mu nyina because dia metini mre bi se o se o pesenka asem kura no nka mu ni wo zoom o se den se o te asem na se wo de o te abroche na wo de ye hwemfo ni so na ye di wasem na wo ya Ghana ni sire obi me se Oforiatta me se wa ma Sebi yo nyame fa sama owu abrochire kura ni funu kura ya de be kokot ni funu ya de be kokot to be ba omra because se wodi bi se asembia eni wusu a asembia nkobone amawa adeti na akotira abrochire wa ma se OSP ni atoni general ya koli say ya mra ni say brai na atuntwa ana kwese meboa se uba chire mu a na wonni fo a asembi wo ho asembia ni ho so what you say what you say wo ya what the bond amanfo akọ pensioners for music mo ana masa na aye boachi bi ni ene odipa na akọ pension o pesika ni bi kura de ato adura no ayarefo ne ade obi mo fam wuwu so what you say a woda abrochire na wo call hospitals ne enoma eti bra na be yi nsambia no wo be na be yi ano na wonni fo a uko ba bi so na me de me OSP kwasi from day one and I mean support to OSP kwasi say OSP no me de ba no obo de ne ba for nkrofo bi ene o matra ho ma papa yi because me de kwasi obi a wo de odo otimi e for obi kokot no ni office ni kura no me dey say emre wo kura say ya saka no office ni kura yi free wo kwazi mfaso bia di so kwasi mfaso bia di so hospital ti ono mfaso bia di so ade ti ade wa kan say sisi da pa case ba ye madimisa to di sika so no say uhu di akọ enti me dey atodi general una wo ye ayi usi abai kwa dubofo panyin enti de wo ho bia no na yese ba bia sese ya no yese amono ne no ho ano kwasi wo de wo ba ya yese ya wo ba bia wo ko se ho de a enterprise no ntimi mfawo baby matiri bibisa ya se bisa enti ba tenka wache e se kaba na ya de daba no no su be gina mranim se mranu bodufo a na sense wo mu ho no kwa no so akobi because president Kufota bi ehun bi so ebi musu kodi damu ti obi jaga da ni siro bi bra so ti bi de ba obi nam OSP ni wenum de media ba bi ani nam ne de OSP fakra tamra we fakra tamra ne bi de kwasi enya yi enmuno ne papa no na wo se ekwan bia so no yakofa ne ba won krata no uko hun krata o wo nya krata o na sa papa na ama krata na wo nya no kra mfa so be na wo so because won na dwen so beba kwasi papa no nya na dwen so beba Ghana ani ete ho so o so wo se misa e wo se bisa se Ghana sika bi afa wo sase ada ko di ba bi a SSAD a because enye se de wo wianko a ye say yamra ni bi cause financial loss to the state and no so no e wo ho bia ba bia say sika ne fa no wa ma na kofa ho say so eti kwasi bi dia sa OSP nsama omodi aba ye di ya ndia say agro bi na ye media Ghana ye serious e wo no ma bi ho
that's it Maclean
kazo no pa ma menchia na menchia atifo ayitie Liberty FM na menchia yana na matonkunya wo say you also traditional council na memfancha sonko pa emma NPP party for ye adwumaden aboa ma party no ya sign regain power camp 2028 na ise pa ene ne ma ye party no edi magana ne so yetimi ama na before se meba OSP asem no so no me wo ade bia me pese me twe atifo ne wo kayaso adwen so esi so me kwa document bia eye say yours College of Education dated 5th November 2024 na kayaso o share de ye komu achiri na ene admission na anasika ana fees a enkra no etua previously no ene de esisi a ye de aba be so enkra ni triso na ani enyan kakra 2024 level 204 no mutu ya 3,645 Ghana cedis. Level 304 no mutu ya 3,358 Ghana cedis. And another level 404 it ya 2,400 Ghana cedis. Residential fee na omutu ya ewo watiko no na 500 Ghana cedis. And na me no ka say 1,000 Ghana cedis. 1,000 Ghana cedis. Ebio oba letter wins wa mikura no so 20th October 2025. Osha level 204 na omutu ya 3,000 cedis no. Sisi ya ombetu ya 5,322 Ghana cedis. Level 304 no betu ya 5,322 Ghana cedis. And a level 404 no betu ya 3,431 Ghana cedis. Kwasi. In fact, you say asotro mienu emani hane. Yesre. Meaning what really has accounted for that increment no. But say residential fees are no mutu 500 cedis. Ya 200%. Amana baba 1,000 Ghana cedis. Sa exam fee na 1,000 omo di bia ka ho. Niema na ya di akeka ho no. Yesre ye yankasa ye nim hawa sisi ya awofo ye den ebre. Ye nim se de Ghana fosi ye den ebre. Inti yesre. A year just a year. And as a outrageous increment we had abamu inti
men person be use the word outrageous because say unim near our account.
I will use outrageous because I will use outrageous because say residential fee 500 Ghana cedis. Now all the 4,000 Ghana cedis. That is
what's the unim
meba. Me say residential fee 500 Ghana cedis. Now your balloon to 100% increment. You don't see it as an outrageous, right?
What's something I say?
So may come because yeah, of course may come because 100% increment to that effect. No,
once you haven't inquired the school.
No, this is the letter. Me are me forward the letter.
Oh no, the many problems.
And I make say regardless of whatever has happened, I don't see why the 100% increment no is necessary. A year ago, there are 500 Ghana cedis. October, a year ago, 500 Ghana cedis. Another year, and the next year, no, about 1,000 Ghana cedis. It's really outrageous.
All right, thank
you.
Yes, because document talk and me, I don't have.
No, maybe I will send it to you. I
don't have it. Or no, no come once.
Yeah, I'll send it to you.
So you can still forward to me.
Yes, I'll send it
right
to you.
From here, I'll go to Atiko.
Okay, check it. Yes, check it.
All right,
okay. Kayaso, OSP, and you were kind of free attack, and Attorney General and agent says him here came home. Metie me bra pa yin kwakusha ebu nsema na oka no Bruni free bibi cherry picking ensem no otu na basa etu na sere baby ofi say ebeye ne de no e na oye de odi hu nkomo.
Okay,
na edu baby nzu a na it's becoming so funny and na ya sere esan say me ameti hey I am not in any way against law enforcement agencies say omo de peri yo ne mra be den ebe ya adwuma say ye de adwuma e hye won sa say dia esa woti ase say at the end of the day no you account to every action in actions bia obeteki anunti sa stewardship ana we steward ana ye de adwuma bi e hye won sa ubeye onanu ni ema sa adwuma no. So it means that oh yeah bibia ese unhu de ese we because that bia no you will account for ububu akonta. Enti NPP as a political party we are not against in any way say yemu obi kum for and yemu obi bem na de ma asem ne twetwe aso ne se yɛse ɛno asɛm ne nti ɛna ɛnɛ deɛ no nso yɛyɛ den yɛdi ho nkɔmmɔ yɛwura attorney general asɛm a yɛkan na me nua Shaibu ɛka me nua Shaibu mbajo say unimu I am telling you today say attorney general has the power to prosecute even more than the OSP no as attorney general no ase so the attorney general no per se or compel OSP ban ye bia no otimi ma ne ye at a given time bia me ba pacho o ka say be ye din. No, I made a reference to you. It doesn't mean say me wasan na me person obam. Say OSP here. Say OSP here. Ya mra pon no. Yan constitution no e ma ho kwan say the attorney general the sole responsibility and are you responsible to prosecute people on issue of criminality and corruption. Every criminal and I make us say OSP no kra no ehye attorney general ne yam anu nti se mo bibia me mama mfa money brain kwaso OSP so no me pacho me mama mfa money brain kwaso OSP so because say attorney general no aya na adwen say obe pursue case na ono so bet me pursue case no abra OSP so pursue the same case then na asamba ko a eya ha adwen kaso anopa meti say wo kan sa asem ni bi public prosecution me feel say nipa no ye kan asem say why you say ninti by default anopa one menua mesika eyem pensi no you were towing the same line.
What did I say?
Suggesting say by default in as much as say nipa and ebi mo aka say yewura kan oforiata bibi say ayese ninti no by default or you at fault.
What's the say?
Yes, the impression that you were creating. I was listening to you.
Say or you at fault, and as what the one
you were you were discussing. Yes, that's my opinion.
So you didn't hear me say Oforiata is at fault.
What I am trying to say is say I am making a deduction from what you were saying.
And I say, what did I say?
The oka and say nipa ba kon atamo Ghana sika twitwiri die ye bon kwadu. I mean I listened to you on
star asemana America. If say one team in Kenya na enyo Oforiata asemana America.
I am talking about public into America say
public
prosecution.
Nyana America mene mystical. Oforiata asem me interview Vitus Azay.
I listened.
Good. And now me free Oforiata asem so. Mene mystical discussing about Gifty or worry.
Of course, that is the public prosecution that I'm talking about.
Hold on. Gifty or worry. Say what fasika say. Why you say. And only a gift to worry. I'm fan count for your task.
No, it was in line with corruption cases and not munina more discussed.
Yes.
That's it. The ama some way no chance on the say. NDC Abanya Yera Attorney General no. The very time bia or pese or can assembly for corruption related cases no. Oba ebebu nipa no kum for ansa na asem no kra court. A typical example yewura kwabena dubu ahende ene yehu ne poma sibra yokofo e kan we ejifo nso kan we different it all together. Ye ni asem our press conferences aso enye press conferences ase ana ye di asem anu nti say attorney general willing say or person or prosecuting crofo genuinely na enye biases in a political agenda there. And yes, so baby bua nipa no kumfo. Otimi ka say adubo ya asemi o kaya say 1 year jailed term no na 25 years. And na me no ka say from 5 months ye ka sa adubo ya asemi there has not been an established position say the attorney general cano valid and yes valid in that position. Ebio hwe abai won ntoaso na attorney general say nya say wo boapaye ni agenda bi say wo be say wo tie MPP fo a issues are a buyer na and na a borders in a position of criminality. Oba what about the filing newly prosecuted? Atiani na Saglemi housing project involving $200 million. $200 million. Yeah, appointed Attorney General 22nd January 2025 year woman. 7th February 2025. Now your press conference. Na cases are a border on criminality a buyer a chamuno adequate court no. Oba ya was say you don't see the necessity of continuing those cases in Nina. Okoto de ne bodwe. Aya anche de ye de yanchi nunguno. Asama e wo quarter involving millions of dollars. Millions. And now, yet say you have a cocoa way. Part of it, cocoa, no, any fertilizers are. You opening. I'm telling you, if you don't know, you don't know. Fertilizers are. I'm going to buy ya say fertilizers are. Ya digu sabi. Tomatoes, zumani ebro. Ah, tomatoes, fertilizers are. Ya digu tomatoes so. And ya digu ye cocoa so. Part of it, so ma yawaha. ASANTE 2005 thereof. Now yeti cocoa western north yeti mete over 350,000 metric tons, and now we are even struggling to do 100,000 metric tons. Check the research. Go to cocoa board. Mamu misa say and I catch them na bisa. They will tell you say niema say bi na here course wa e ma cocoa near there. Ewu ye. Sa cases here obia oye sa de we o buy ya wo say. Sa case no untimi ntoaso. Sagle mi so na mekan. Yera Samson na he was part of the four. You were Collins Dowda and the four others. No, you were something because deputy minister works and housing. He was part of the very people. Now you investigate you. Oh, buy an amount of $200 million. See, you cost 5,000 units. Kayaso, you can $174 million. Now you may be no. Just 2,000. A bind buyer what's what file noli prosequa and say a bind say sign samina sabe e wo court no verse 1 so anunti omunyi no mfa omunni. But the point is say attorney general e file noli prosequa. It doesn't mean say case no wa discontinue. It doesn't mean say omoye acquitted o omunya acquitted. And dachi be some of this case will be revisited. And it is anka abani wo pepa say a person of fighting corruption because me know what here ni me ba pa ye shabuti here ya we say o man ni sika in a way no enunu anu nti ye pekwanya ye faso a ye besia no enu nti more wo de amanfo e court even the public knowledge say nipa we ye say no kra no enough say ebegu nipa nimu ase nti ebe serve as a deterrent to people and others are omo be leadership position preventing them say omo so nye de enyesa mobile power between 2009 7th January to 2017 7th January say yeah and also me nim say me say be betimi abobo number of people are omo timi e prosecute omo de omo court omo jail omo. It was this back and forth for people to know, say, oh, will I say? Eventually, nothing happened. But I can give you a list of people and the MPP from 2001 to 2009. You investigate you more, you jail you. And you kasa say, and when you say, what is it is that? Say, office any panel, I am from Subia. Get all the necessary documents. Go to court. Prosecute nipa no say odi for ayemfa ntum say odi be muso onfa ne hundi but to be organizing press conferences and before say wo kayaso ya beba okwadu na ade wa court kra no. And mind you, court is the only place you buy nipa kumfo. And radio so de enya ye kanyina ye kire ya adwen mitie nipa na ofre no nipa na sema na oka no he was being so opinion like na any opinion adwen kire na okire beba bia ye betimi aka say nipa we adifo nipa we adibem no aye court of competent jurisdiction and it yes attorney general say ebeya ye benya gidie e wo ni djuma odie ni mo no ebe boa said ye buani
into wouldn't gidie won your attorney general
no I am not saying say me gidie but what
send ebeya ye benya gidie so we part
said ebeya ye benya gidie ni say asam no okoya investigation na on fan court na won jai say obe organize attorney general menkaya oba ye organize press office be 10 it before some the court no kwa no we paint you extremely black e dey actually public no why you do so dey actually public and it say we are sad tia public no me ba we are sad tia nipa na sabe obi kura wonni ma say mo say be on kan ye on David deeper intuition no na kuma mu abu akumfo okay and it dia ye be ka bia o court wo bia no kura no ekosi bio clearly obi abenya asama de aka fa me okay the minimum no AC ni say we are not against a way say sebe yeah prosecuting kofobi but there should be a procedural position na ebebo ama ye hu say asamo ye kan fa nipa no e krojin na enye say
na AG nam so nye ne kwan so
anu ntia me ka kire wo say ye prosecuting nipa on TV enye TV so
but it's so asem no can or TV so as won prosecute you
no what baba I made a reference to Yewra Dubois he attorney general nka say dear why you 1 year jail time for 25 years on for big court na wa ka kire gofo a radio for the inside for ushi am Ghana nyina say 1 year case the case in one court and year jail time for 25 years umwe anipa no kunvo
I'll come back to you
Kwasi
yes sir
Minua McLean na na MPP for ho tambia metaka ho homo ka se omo ye nipa se omo ye Ghana force no obia ho Minua na ti na mekasa enti Kwasi yemfa amanfo nko court wo kana sebri nyina nso no na ogira ha o my brother ogira ha se si ya se sedu agongo ni owuro opuni ye de wo mu akogina court a odi osi odi fertilizer ekum koko abekum ye koko a ogira court ema say attorney general abeja wo mu na wo dia wo ya judge asem ye ni wie e dey na otibi hu say oh
Kwaku kasam
oh Kwasi won tabi MPP for me show mu din wa ba betina so Kwasi if you watch what did the pastor take court what do you like akoda kete so Kwasi what ni anya hwe what sorry a okwa no afa na okura ne ntuma mam kwa baako na the whole night no now way what did the pana kudina court mfie nsuo say mfie wotu say mfie nan what ni anya hwe wamba amanfo agu de nimase o kan sembi na me wura ho ha o see yewura opudi de fertilizer bi ba na fertilizer na nje Kwasi sa fertilizer me dem yekoko kuya ni mejibi mi aminu ya panyu Dr. Koko afiri ye jibe 500 oro so jibi mi dia mi koko anu Dr. Koko afiri ye ni koko anya den anwo nukuro bi adim Kwasi sa fertilizer kuyo ekum koko no Kwasi fertilizer na ekum koko no mo ba ya pe na fertilizer ni bi wo ho McLean not for sale no mo ba ye ena mo pepa not no ena ka for sale no ena na mo tono ete Ghana me say mo to makuyafo wan me say above 40 me my brother above 40 me see McLean self fertilizer na mo see ekum koko no mo ba ye no mo ba to fertilizer no mo ba ye no ɛna mo papa not no ɛna car for sale no ɛna mo to ya to no me se akuafo tie akuafo stop na mo de mo to ma akuafo mo se ye mo cha ebi bem bi ebi nya bi he what about ade ama koko sesi a ama koko akofom wo waso nofa so ni baba me kan kire koko na mo betwa ye na mo ntimi anua no koko mo betwa koko amafo koko sesi a koko na da ne park koko na da ne park edurati koko mo timi twa be 66,000 hectares be 1,000 hectares kura no mo ntimi anua me ka se so di mu a amafo bre obo mutimi bia obo di akura no eyobo asika wo mbotom mo ba ye no e na boko ji sika no makli mo ji sika no sabudi kwa mo di baba ye ayi akuafo fu ama mo ji sika na mo di WhatsApp srem mo di WhatsApp srem e ba se si akoko a mo twaye adane park e na makoko akofo mo sahwi na nya fertilizer bia obi di ba ye e na makoko akofo mo sahwi koko na bu betwa ye na matima nua na madi huska no ena makoko asoto ana koko akofo mo sahwi koko na ayiro mutwa no matimi andua mukodi loan ba bu be di so oni mu a ena makoko akofo mo sahwi me ka kire o eti enya opuni da di koko ayi fertilizer bia ba be koko bia bo sa koko ayi kwasi sa fertilizer yi mo ba ye no na ku ho kwasi obuba no na ya throw not for sale obuba no be yi not to the floor na car for sale ena no bu toma kuafo ade enye ya toma kurani ade enye ya toma kurani ene makili mami kan show ene yi kofi beta mo ne yi yewura yi randia be moda roma ene ya bia ba nyabre ma ya che go nsi ko hebi kan pipi for tu ba e ka mo po kan se bo because mo si ya fertilizer anye iti ka se ka mo ba ho mpo se bo bajibi eso mo go se akoko mo se ria mo se opuri abeku di fertilizer ba beku koko na mo twa na mo ntimi anua no nka ho asem oh ba sama me kasa so kwasi me se koko no mo twa ye no o ma ntimi anua ena ma koko akofom because kwa se adane sre ni ye koko kuani kwa mi kuro ma kura se amprompe wonim ho koko abu twa ye ko he mucha nipa be 20 koko nipa ba ko penalty etimi udi ska kran timi nye magis canadi obetra akeka se opuni kwasi yetu ma wemu tamana yakase kwasi yakase when a majority no obaka kwasi ewo mna se bedwam do yetimi ni asem court yetimi ni asem court 9 o'clock. The next morning 9 o'clock ni abua wodi obi atra ho mfie nwoche watimi anka hwe afa na oba be dira ho na oba ye na we ya yesei na ya janu maneko hwe we yo bo ye nyina achi na o se ye de obi kokoto a na ntire so odi fo nti wa we ye ne yemfa kokoto no si ye de obi kwasi ye de obo kwanzo a na bo to bo na bo di akire eto tama ye ho na na ye di ye nkrofo kokoto e di akire no mo se mra na ye na duma ana ko si wate sasa no o mo se mra na ye na duma ana de mra nya na duma nti ye de obi kokota na mu di akire mu de bo ya Ghana for sere hwan kwasi hwa Ghana ha na e wo no se de obi a ade ti la mu ya mafo ahumu a ye to ba ye tutia mo kese no because sa nsema wo de oti ha wo kan se ebi mo ye de mo kokota na very say kwasi mo amotete mo nkonnwam no no mabua ye betra se na abua nipa no na sam no dada ansa na wodru court mo na mo de baaye masa wo de say ye baaye obo ye baaye ye timi kwasi ye timi afọ obia antu but this time round me say mo nkrofo no kokoto ayo babu di atire mo tira na yi eno so mbra na ye na dwuma mbra na ye na dwuma ye bra say yewura sedu agongo ni bra say yewura opuni dia no mbra kwasi Ghana na mbra na dwuma mu ya Ghana for siro ye de mo obi kokoto dia na ye jano na de anya mbra na jano mbra no da jano
mama nkoma clean o mesi amba o jiwa ho me ba ho nyabutre Anapa mfasira fama ya legacy artwork omo ese bra na omo enye portrait frames ni nyina emfa emma portrait drawing pencil works omo eye ni nyina 3-in-1 picture frames be na ope wodi wani echemu ewo ya legacy artworks a ombe nyina e de ama wall clock no opese ye de picture etum ne customize ma sara so na necklace no ye customize ni nyina ma be nyina e de ama wo be hunu eye ya legacy artworks ewo eye Mr. Asian ye no shop wo no ma ewo mo ne eye dwunase post office dia nim hwe sara nso ana dwunase ahemfie no so ne dia nim hwe fra yen 0595 667661 ana 0599 303475 ema remfi say the big family enterprise ana pe mo bi omopono eniema opedi asese ofie gina omo ewo bi electrical appliance ahodo home appliance ahodo mo nyina bi fridge, air condition, TV, cylinders, microwave, blenders. Bibia edi sese fi mani ye dia omo ewo ni nyinara ebi. Ube hunu omo ewo dwina so omo ne Friends Filling Station edi enimhye. Nkrabata ba konso ewo eye abrosana sa Human Rural Bank ewo no ye wo hofra yen. 0243920371 and 0244675960. Telesol one say we are connecting energies. One say you were a bimu edia or hon ma okora sa okọ send this car. You better tell bibiri but tell us all there. Or say and one say obe send it keke. Ni obe ya nyina na so be download a Telesol Play app no and I say obe dial on your phone *110#. Na fe was send it keke. Telesol or say connecting energies. Kunlungana at the Araba Bazen tablet and Mr. Kildaba a eboa Emma Eddie or Mona Memansu Agina or Mona Iso. In Rebusu Ewo Jasso Fre 0504 906 665 and 0545 906 665. MTN. One must say use MTN for Momono now so for the Ujumina now being a chedi bebre. MTN. Se menso mensaka inti mensaka promo no ena ye wo mi se sia de 100,000 Ghana cedis ena de twen wo inti fa momo app no fa di dwuma de ahodo nyinara down so wait me anya kwanya no waka bi mensaka because the chance awaits you. Pure natural pure health clinic wo mo es wo mo do mo natural products no de abadwa so eye into bia nkonkwaji bi emfa tutu no honyare wo mo ewo kankam bites a ebetu ukoko asesara nso ne ewo kankam tire stop mixture a no so betu typhoid ne malaria na se kankam co capsules eno ebetu koko na se na wonya eye kankam ointment dia ene eberu level joint discomfort ni nyina ma ho ato ebuso obi a eto adro bia fra wo na one Dr. Kankam nkasa 0246 710 712 and 0274 50 6976. Yes, McLean. Now so person okasa.
Anopai minia pani and me offer Shaibu. Meti ne frustration na se kese pa. The onto the bonami do di machi ahi obenya BP awu. Mbaso me ba. Me oh sorry. What dey sorry. Me say one shot.
Me do machi abenya BP. No person dey o dey yare na be. Ya dey pa.
Machi en wasen.
Ko ka che wa BP for so mo yare, amo na yare. Me dey me yare.
Machi en wasen.
Also what you
say. O di machi abenya BP. O dey yare be.
Bro machi asen. Man kan yi.
Eh masa o ka say yi.
Me say man kan yi fa che me.
Muna mo BP, me dey me BP.
Kazo. Meti ne frustration na se pa because say asem oka na ana unnim say the asem no esitie na o ka ni bia efa ne sa he o kan asem bi say ye twa cocoa over 66,000 hectares egui 1,000 hectare kra yentimi ayede endua document ya ekura mi eye 2021 crop year cocoa board reported 83,636 hectares of cocoa you do kayaso oko meba oko the Business and Financial Times I am making a reference me say ugugu say ya
grounds
kasa emeti ha o me kwa kan asem kra ma wo bo of bet anyway me dey ma fanisa ebio even 2019 2020
that's what asem na wo kan
oh gosh cocoa board edua 22,000 311.34 hectares of cocoa. Cocoa board reported. I don't know ewo ho enti wo kwa ubekwa ko hu enyamina chende ya me say 2019 2020 masiama 2020 2021 krobiye pacho mamema sa se mi
MPP krata na wokan congrats
okay kazo oka sembi ase enama baba mu ATS enama ntimi anye nipa na hwe court proceedings sabi ente se wonu ambesie na wodi ambesie sisu a obetwen wote ho a wo twen se embe na die eye processes eye proceedings eye event court eye event ye event our court eye processes eye procedures anunti say oh appetite in a way say over fighting corruption and can one discontinue those issues and those cases cases are a border in millions of dollars
but McLean
meba and then what he ha comfortably kasa sedinam gifty clenam onubody aban court abua ne kunfo and abua
sedinam tamaklo
sorry sedinam tamaklo ya bua ne kunfo meba wane ko fa ne mra una wa aban mu government and a governance is a continuing business and the Ghana for say we need that appetite to fight corruption because say who appetite na anka wonya wo agasa at say wo tifia mamienu oba no brother ba wo fie oba ne de wo kana asem because o ka oba asem a ye be paint picture say oba no enye anunti obi ba de da ba bia yanti de tintum ensoma no meanwhile oba so te ho a obetimi amfa obi mra
na adenti na MPP say maame de jeli MPP penso okay
Kaso
yes sir
you are my conversation no
I say maame de jeli MPP penso
that is why that question and you get assembly yeka
what say
no are you telling me sir you jeli no CPP appointment NDC abana over be ntimi faro what are you talking about I'm not jelly hold on
when you
because government is a continuing business. Governance is a continuing business.
I agree.
And which one is the MPP constitution? And why that question say identity Nigerian MPP paper so am
mankasa identity me na me bisa say see Nigerian MPP.
Of course.
Did you answer me? You didn't answer
I
me.
did.
Did you answer me?
I did because say obisa sa question investigate obi and as obi di bone and obi ayebibi obi afakoti kwan so am oman na boka and say ye twena so I agree but what I see that political biases no just to paint people say omo you say meanwhile sa eja etu out no unya nsuo kwa ye den endum ye wa afakoti kwan bi so and na wo de ontofo no o shield omo what don't call for that kwakosie wachi omo di Ghana dwirimu a omo Ghana sika eyiraye atof
say politics bibia ewom bia say asem no kokota eho ye mu apesie wo enti bibia wo bia no it take time a process
of course
good enti a process dia e wo say ekwa to its fine wo di obi be court say McLean me say McLean ayese enti me di McLean court and then it will take McLean the first term na asia be McLean the second term mpacho
I just say no your person can and okay nti eneme me osana me pacho
speak for you I came here to speak for my party
me pacho ubo me di wa ha kan asem e kan me NDC asem nti mami menka say menka menua media be pesa akwasi meka ne say kwasi menya lawyer ni menya judge me bacho dia meka what am say but you say yetimi jachi kwasi case ya de ne court say ni afe ni ya de awie ye ka say one ye majority one ye minority ye ka ye de assembly court 9 o'clock the next morning 9 o'clock ni ya de awie so dem me cheno ye tuma we mu kwasi anya na jakpa bu ba mu am say afe na attorney de na former attorney de na friend sembo go be da me mu okokope oni fact bia wo case ni eye witch hunting na omo ha manfo kwa because opunimu case ya do omo court a ye say ye di wakofa fertilizer eye how kwa omo di hey MPP for di hey so le me che no na ade a omo hwe wo a masa wo hwe de ekoso sesi ya kwasi said ye say atu force mu adwuma oya magana sesi apa na kwasi somebody atu force tu mo say koma haye pa sesi a wesi de wasi aye dollar
ano no nkyere say emra no edina
oh kwasi
yes
me say nukura bia ni me cannot hear me o me say asebra bu ka me to me nukura bia ni enti no botra hofie wotwe a o ma because somebody dey obu fa Canada bi di ni tumu akoma agana sana me to me no masaba pesa be kanu no madino no because stress here the oye dollars is here
$1 day
the dollars motam 970 and then
17
oh besa mami kasa adai
dollar 10.7
unni ma ada unni de kana
dollar 10.7
time MPP time
what are you
na 17
oh that be MPP free power na 17
na yes say na say
10.75
iti ya bomodin na ya momodin
wa ye na waka de wa ye
oh musi ya artificial iti ka ya hotiri ya no ya artificial ni bi ya do come de ya see musi ya artificial say artificial na musu ma ya artificial ni bi ma ya artificial ni bi naka ya hoto ye oh ya bi che Mami kasam no ba because the oye
what's the dollar
o fe ko kumasi ya enye system Ghana cedis
yes
oh let me put up $45 cedis
o ba kwasi odo kasana
import ende
kwasi odo kasana
so ende never be ya
me se kwasi odo kasana oh anya here dry ya tip petrol so $1 na and ya tip petrol so kwasi me bo akata oh once the kura ya tiso kwasi once the kura ya tiso yati amuso yati abo e dia kati kankua e dia dibu oman me ba so ti ase me so beti ba ka tro se MPP ta me ba e ha na me 20 Ghana e na me 250 yati so abai papa ba e ma yati so dollar no e artificial kamo ya artificial ni bi kamo free so Dabi media koko kriani enti media every 70 about 10 dia be hwehwa no ba bi otia bobo ya enya fe na be tell say ye to ye di tosi ko ha ye di we ko ha nti na ye say me ma me otie abobo ya me ma me otie ayikodina me ma me otie asai so me papa otie abo odidua odi aduani du say ya $10 so e ma no ba kokko fom
This is our lack no to start now is our lack no. Lack no is everywhere. Nyobeya na se obe fa phone no dial *712 no or the hash no atwas. You choose option 1 for yourself, you choose option 2. Now that to take it in the amount will be. And one no. Lack no is everywhere. With me enya sika no aboho mako 500 times the amount one kasa ho. Na fe with the amount of the food so 10 times. So your golden chance no is here. Hop on and let's all get lucky. Luck is everywhere. The luckiest. KIT Solutions almost for our phone no bra. Na yen say from I be na open iPhone so kra oba obenye bi iPhone 64 iPhone XR, iPhone 11, iPhone 12, iPhone 14, Samsung, Infinix, Techno, and if phones out on your Nina, would you not say, GPS, your boss, and I'll be KIT Solutions, and more comedian, you're big brain. 0245404140. Sarah so and Alga Rafa Hebal Mr. Abba just so make comfortable Bibia. Say Ubia and Conquer Genedia. Sisi yare ena hawo wanum na to won to the typhoid fever malaria ulcer syphilis gonorrhea and have menstrual pains ma wonsa enka bedo ye wo mienu ye wo red ne ye wo red ye wo red ne ye wo green enti ma wonsa enka bi agarafa herbal mixture say onyame nsa ewo mu onyame nkwa ne ye yaresafo ope bi ato a bomode aso be kɔ drugstore bi amu ana do no pese wo tukoko ton so a wo be frɛ ICGC soft pani a owo eye tanoso 0242024840 and 0249749797. Recover group of companies. One more essay and pay one be on bra. Now also be jiwo near man be upesement na to. We call Recover Construction and Trade now be near be our honum. POP materials now more will be blocks. And it be a for dance on there. And no answer do need BECHEM our tunnel so. One more on be our penal crew man yum na ye obin so our takwa. Castown Johnson your honum. Freya in 0244878466 and 0534212702. And my represent and I pay Queen Elizabeth supermarket in Yabie. You wholesale and a retail branch. Wholesale no our GPRTU station. What we want a year we also an abuako tax rank and I want one more honum. A honum near money to be our honum. Sarah and son up about being a talk do docuna and a pedo ni extra upper Amenfield Rabankon. Nachia a honum. And a Queen Elizabeth supermarket and retail branch and also a one. Quaquajo de Masway now so and toy. A more free say an a pay seahorse my hate promono a coso. Yes, say a pay king crying. The here say Uboquato a seahorse play at him. There will be a subia, Trinity, which the team will say a chadia and a code be count number can send it. A chadian and our code no for call a number no eso. Say seahorse for share. Na se sabe pa wonsa aka wadi nya ubetimi anya no ebi 50 Ghana cedis a ewomu akwakosi 5,000 Ghana cedis. Mobile phone, iron, fan, fridge, TV and afi output price no aboboya. Ubetimi afre 0540424386 and 0243218566. But remember say National Lottery Authority and our more answer a chassis. Seahorse my hitting probably yes a peking crime. For our bra now on my identity our Benny Appleton Senior High School. Yeah, general arts, general science, home economics, business, visual art, nafi, agriculture science. School no your fees no born a full. Now for sans our flexible payment plan at the ma a awfonyina. For our bra now on for excellent results and from free school mumrafi. Benny Appleton Senior High School, Behunye, ewo a boakon and in a brim quantum ponus, so assignment, a wha and not your fraying 0244852885 and 0243109583. A marim fee say a year Memenida are air base. A year 29th, Kwakusi 31st of October. Yeah, breast screening. Siapa and I the air bro. A Green Shield Hospital in collaboration with Liberty 92.5 FM. Save your breast 2025. And sorry, and none jadi for manu nina or baby and for any enchemu a Green Shield Hospital. Na onko the enconquation no for them and for emano senior will be elmwa. Jumadi a Liberty FM and a Green Shield Hospital. And yeah, the air bro. Dawood Herbal Hospital. One more also essay. One more Edin Lupana Abajaso. Yeah, Dawood 360 capsules. Honma yedi A2 Sasabro and ASCC yadi. Saranso and Dawood ointment. And also Wunyabi. Now the Srasta a bit too Sasabro no Sisi yadi na hututuno. Inti wonum a Dawood 360 now the ointment no so A2 inti fenu tri na memene. Bibia ebe kama.